Perfect. Here's your formatted voiceover script for easy reading or use with a teleprompter. I've added emphasis cues, pause indicators, and broken it into short chunks for natural delivery. AI is no longer a buzzword, it's a coworker, a developer, and maybe your replacement. From software engineering to IT support, AI is changing how tech jobs work fast. In this video, I'll break down 5 tech roles that AI is transforming right now, so you can stay ahead and future proof your career. Let's get into it. PC 1. Software developers. First up, software developers. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Amazon Code Whisperer are already writing code for real production apps. Developers now spend less time on boilerplate and more time on solving real problems. But here's the twist: AI won't replace great developers. It will replace the ones who ignore it. The devs who win are the ones who can prompt AI, review its output, and build smarter, faster. Toolbox 2. It's support and help desk. Next, IT support and help desk roles. Chatbots are already handling basic requests, password resets, Wi-Fi issues, even diagnosing hardware problems. But this doesn't mean IT jobs are over. It means they're evolving. Tomorrow's IT pros will manage automation tools, write scripts, and ensure the AI support systems stay sharp. Bar graph 3. Data analysts. Now let's talk data analysts. Tools like AutoML and AI powered by dashboards can now generate charts, reports, even entire models in seconds. But here's what AI can't do yet: ask the right business questions, align data with goals, or explain results to real people. Analysts who can do that will still be in high demand. Test tube 4. Car testers. Car testing is another role being reshaped. Today's AI platforms can auto-generate test cases, simulate user flows, and even catch bugs before you hit deploy. Manual testing is fading. The future: automation engineers who design smart, AI-assisted test frameworks. Less clicking through checklists, more building intelligent systems. Brain 5. Prompt engineers and AI. Here's where it gets exciting. New jobs are emerging. Ever heard of a prompt engineer? It's someone who crafts the perfect questions to get powerful answers from AI. Midjourney, ChatGPT, Claude. These tools all depend on how well you prompt them. Also rising: AI product managers. People who blend UX, product thinking, and machine learning. These roles didn't exist a few years ago. Now they're exploding. Check mark. Conclusion. Bottom line: the future of tech isn't about competing against AI. It's about working with it. So learn AI, use AI, and build things that never existed before. Which tech job do you think AI will change the most? Drop it in the comments, I want to hear your thoughts. And if you want more smart tech insights like this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. See you in the